Okay, we are live now, and good evening, everyone. Good to see you all. Hi, hi, hi. Hello. Okay, we will wait for some time. Hi, hi, brother. Good evening. Thanks for joining. So I'll just wait for a few more people to join. Okay, and then we can start this live. Okay. Good evening, all. Thanks for joining. Good to see you all after a long time. Okay, great. Just one second. Hi, Jagdish. Good evening, brother. Hi, Omar. Happy New Year 2026, Omar. Hi, Hemant. Good evening. How are you? I am doing good, Sai Teja. Hi, thank you. Thank you. Internet. Okay, good. Hi, sir. Good evening. Hope you are doing well. Happy New Year. Stay blessed. Thanks a lot, guys. And a happy New Year to everyone. Okay, happy New Year. Excited for tomorrow's session. Good, 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 good. So we will discuss about a few things. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'll just roll out few things for you guys. Okay, we will discuss about that also. Where do you stay and all? People are asking so many questions. Okay, great. So happy New Year, first of all, to everyone of my community, those who are watching me, right? So that's very important that we have started this year. And I hope you all are doing great. You all have set some of your goals for 2026. Before that, let me ask this question, right? How many of you have set the New Year goals, right? How many of you have set the New Year goals, right, in 2026, let's say. So tell me, like, how many of you have set the New Year goals? That's very, very important, right? So what are the goals, right? You have done, I have also done. And some of these things, like making more content or doing some additional work which I was not able to do in 2026, 2025, right? And meeting some of the standards on various kinds of platforms, maybe growing my YouTube channel, growing my Instagram, growing my LinkedIn, right? So how many of you have set your goals? And if you can tell your goals, that will be great, because I just wanted to connect with you also. I'll tell one of my goal. Okay, so one of my goal for 2026 is growing more audience, connecting with more family people, and making sure more community meetups are being held. So I'm working on those lines, right? Okay, so some of you are having like switch company, right? Yes, Ravni is telling she has done this, writing down some kind of expectations, right? More money. Yes, everyone is here for earning money, that's true, right? But definitely we want to grow as a person also. We want to make some standards, like year by year how we are growing, year by year how we are growing, right? That's what the standards are defined, right? And that's very, very much important. Get into DevOps role, I want to switch company, need to achieve something big. That's very true. Like we all want job, we all want to grow, we all want to scale to the next level. Whatever the package that we are hitting right now, we want to double it in the coming days, right? So that's very much important. I have seen like a common understanding. And people on LinkedIn, if you are watching me, you can also tell like what do you think about this, right? Setting up of goals in 2026 is very, very much important for everyone, those who are here. And happy new year to everyone, right? And many of you have wished me on various platforms, so that's very, very, very generic and kind of you all, right? So thanks a lot. I just wanted to hear from the people on LinkedIn also, like Hope you guys are doing good. Hope the things are going well on your end, and I hope you have written some things on the paper for the achievements, right? That's very very much important. Without writing down anything on the paper, that will be not worth it. So definitely write down on the paper, right, and make the most of it. That's one thing. As my suggestion, I will be giving to you guys. Okay. So without writing on the paper, it will be not that good. Okay. So write down definitely on the paper. Think about the guidelines that you have to follow in 2026. What are the things that you have missed in 2025? Even I will be definitely doing those work as part of my streamlining things. How I am going to upskill, what are the things I can give it to you guys, right? What are the other aspects that I will be doing? All those things I'll be definitely discussing with you all, right? And I wanted to tell you one more thing. So how is my video coming out on your end? How is the video coming? Is it blur? Just give me 1 second. I'm just checking. Okay, lagging. Okay, quality speed. I don't know why it is coming as blur, but that's fine. I will share my screen first of all, so that you can see some things. Just 1 second. Okay, some issue is happening. Okay, that's fine. We will continue. Okay, little bit I know, like little bit of blur. Sometimes it is happening. I'm not aware like what exactly it is doing, but let's see on the screen. Okay, need to get ready the resume and all those things. So first of all, I'll talk with you all. Network drop is there, blur. Sometimes audio video is not visible. Yeah, kind of blur. Okay, now it's fine. Is it fine? Let me check. Okay, I think it's good now. Is it good now, guys? I can see it's better after the screen share. Okay, I know like my video is getting issue. So somehow I think now it's good. Yes. Can you give me a yes? Those who are watching me. Yes. Okay, good. So let's start the class. Okay. First of all, congratulations to everyone, those who are here for the batch 14, right? And those who are here to upskill in 2025 with me, right? So I'll be telling you some things right now, which we will be watching on live. Okay, those will be like instructions, what you have to do tomorrow, what are the things that we will be doing in the coming weeks, the plan and everything. Okay, so those who are watching, be there for a few more minutes. Okay, so I'll tell you all those things which are needed for us to get upskilled. Okay, so before that, just okay. So I have my pen tab here. Okay, so I'll just keep it and I'll write everything. Right. So those who are here, just see what we are going to do, how we are going to learn, what is expected from you, what is expected from me. Everything we will discuss in this today's live. So let's get started. I don't want to waste your time because tomorrow morning is our first class. Okay, so that's very much important, and thanks a lot for joining. I'll tell you exactly what we are going to do, so just stay tuned. And I am expecting that the video clarity is also good. You are able to see some things on the screen. Okay, great. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you all, from tomorrow, right, 9 a.m. the classes are going to start. Okay, so let me write it down. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. the classes are going to start. Very very important. Okay, So the first thing which you all have to do, those who have enrolled for the batch 14, in the batch 14, the DevOps SRE, right? The DevOps plus SRE, all the combination things are there for you guys, right? And in this batch 14, what are the things that you are going to get? Let me tell you one by one, I'll tell you. And based on that, you can assess the things at what point you want the help from me. Okay, that's very much important. Okay. So now, as the batch 14 is going to start from tomorrow, 9 a.m. sharp. Okay. So what are the things that are there in the batch 14? So let me tell you, you will have projects. Okay. You will have theory. Okay. You will have job guidance. Okay. You will have ATS resume preparation. Okay. You will have mock interviews. Okay. I'm telling on a high level. Those who know, that's fine. Those who don't know, I'm just telling, I'm reiterating the things. What are you going to get? Okay. So one is your projects, one is your theory, job guidance, mock interviews, ATS resumes, and interview questions and answers. You are going to get tool wise, basically. Okay. So very important is, how do you come to know that these are the questions that will come in the interview? I'll give you the separate guide on that. Okay. Apart from that, you will have assignments, regular assignments. Okay. And finally, you will have job portal walkthrough, right? All my job portal walkthrough you are going to get. Okay. So these are the things which are lined up for you guys. Okay. So very, very important. So I think, yes, I'll talk about those things, right? All those recordings and all those things I'll talk you. So are you clear with this? These all are the points which you are going to get in the batch 14. Okay. So there are many aspects, but I have written on the high level, what are you going to get? Okay. That's very, very much important. Are you all clear with this? Like whatever I am telling? Yes. Can you tell me? Yes. Okay. Great. Okay. How can the night shift Mutyams? Okay. So night shift. Okay. We will discuss about that also. Okay. So you all are clear, right? So let's move. Yes. Labs are also there. So definitely I'll talk about labs also. One thing I have missed. So in terms of labs, there are definitely two parts here. Again, one is AWS, one is Azure. All our projects will be on this, and 2-3 projects will be on your laptop. Okay. So you can say majority AWS. Okay. 1 or 2 on Azure and 1 or 2 on laptop. So totally you can understand like this. Those who don't have laptop, my recommendation, have laptop, because some of the hands-on or to get the documents, to read the documents, to look and feel, laptop is mandatory in the batch 14. If you don't have it present, that's fine. But within the 2 weeks, you can arrange. Okay, that's good. AWS and Azure accounts, I will tell you the steps and you will be following in the batch 14. So don't need to worry. Okay, that's one thing very, very clearly I am telling. Okay, so I'm making sense, everyone, right? So let me see on the LinkedIn side. What are the people? Who are the people who are watching me? So, so let me check. Okay. So I'm just making a cross check here. Okay. Okay, great. So people are watching, almost 22 people are watching. Okay. Duration. Okay. So let me tell you, Intel. Yeah. So one more thing, laptop doesn't specifically need to be like, you want, let's say any laptop is fine. Any laptop. I don't want like you have the latest laptop. Any laptop you can bring, which has the 4 GB and let's say like 200 GB. That's it. Nothing more, nothing special. Even an Intel laptop or very old laptop is also fine, which is in the running condition. Okay. Which can support at least few tools installations. Okay. And a few tools setup, that should be completely fine. Clear? So no worries about this. Okay. So now very important, how I am going to teach you. That's very important question, right? How I am going to teach you, very, very important. Those who have joined batch 14, just try to understand these all things. Anyways, I will give you, but I want to tell you some things which I am going to give you specifically. Okay. How I am going to teach. That's very important. Okay. So let's say here, two types of people are here. Okay. One is from non-IT. Okay. One is IT. Okay. So probably there are other set of people also, freshers. Okay. So, so I'll ask you a simple question. How many of you are non-IT, like watching me right now? You guys are from non-IT. Yeah, I'll tell you like course duration and price and all those things we will discuss. But let's try to understand how many of you are from non-IT. So first of all, tell me how many of you are from non-IT? Yes, there are multiple people, definitely, right? Every time people are there with non-IT skills, they want to move to IT. Only two people in our life, only two people. That's it. Now, there should be many people who are non-IT watching me silently. Yes, there are career gap people. Yeah, so career gap people are also one set of people who are always looking for help, but they are in the little bit danger zone, right? Always, because getting a job is a little bit difficult for them, right? I know, like, many of the people are here. I know, definitely, right? And non-IT people are there. IT people, definitely there are there, but there are certain people who are looking for domain change. Okay, that's very, very interesting thing where people want to change their domain. Some are from, let's say, QA, some are from support, some are from different domains. Leadership domain, they want to come to the architect domain. There are different domains, and each person has their own multiple ways of doing those things. Okay, that's okay, that's fine. Okay, now there are freshers again, very important people. Like, everyone is important, but when you talk about let's say what are the ratings you have to give, so these two people are on the 5-star rating, and this will be the 3-star, and IT people will be 2-star. It's like levels, which is very important. Okay, so for everyone who are coming to the batch 14, okay, so let me tell you, this will be the batch 14 link, how you can join. We will discuss about that also. So this will be the batch 14 link. If you don't have, you have to keep it handy. Okay, I will tell you on the recordings part how to access the course and all those things. But anyone who is looking for upskilling in 2025 from tomorrow, I'm sorry, 2026 from tomorrow, this will be the link. Okay, so now let's talk about all these people. I will teach you the DevOps and SRE in the storytelling manner. Okay, so this is my way of telling the class. Okay, storytelling, everything will be like a storytelling, like, okay, so you take a tool. If you don't know how I teach, you can check the YouTube channel, you can check my YouTube video, but I will teach in such a way like it will be all like a story. And when I tell a story, it will be like a movie story. Okay, certainly, and you will be the hero or heroine. So very simple, right? So what is the best thing with respect to movies is that you watch a 3-hour movie and it will reside in your brain permanently. Have you noticed that, guys? When you watch a movie, so tell me, like, my question. Okay, when you watch a movie, it will reside in your brain permanently. You don't need to buy heart, you don't need to mug up, right? Correct? That's very true, right? Even if you go at any movie, any random movie you go, so what do you think, like, why that is happening, right? That's very much important, why that is happening. When you watch a movie, it will reside in our brain permanently. That's very true, right? What I'm telling. So why that is happening? Any idea why that is happening? So see, very important is when you watch a movie, your whole concentration of brain will think that this movie watching is important rather than doing anything. So our brain grasps the majority of the data that movie is showing to us. Okay, so that is why the movie concentration is very rare when we try to see all these things. And that's why I will teach my students or whoever has joined batch 14 in a storytelling way, so that you don't need to mug up. Okay, you don't need to mug up, you don't need to memorize, but you will have the capability to talk in front of interview. Okay, so the same story, whatever I will be telling, if you tell him, it will be good for you. Okay, talk in front of interviewers confidently. Okay, that is what I am going to do from tomorrow, those who are joining. Okay, are you all clear till now what we have done? I want to join this course, could you explain all yes, definitely, I'm explaining all details, but if anyone wants to join, you have the link, you can click now and enroll yourself. Okay, so that is one thing. Now, very important, the next part is how to join the course. Correct? Or if you have joined, how to attend live session. Okay, this is very important, and many of you guys have asked me the same question: how to join the course or how to attend Correct? You all have that doubt? Anyone who is having a doubt like how to join tomorrow's class? Anyone? Anyone from you all have a doubt like how to join tomorrow's class? No? Okay, all are clear. That means how to join tomorrow's class. You all are clear. Let me ask you this question in the chat. How to join tomorrow's class? Okay, so certainly people doesn't know. Okay, so there is no age restrictions, but if you are okay, you are working in non-IT, you want to shift to IT or something like that, definitely. Okay, so okay, now let's do this. All of you click on this link. We will try to access tomorrow's live session. I'll tell you certain steps like how you can access, where are these links are, and all those things we will discuss. Yes, I'll tell you about the recorded sessions also, don't worry. Okay, now those who want to join or those who have joined, okay, for them, follow steps. Okay, follow steps now. Okay, right, so let's start with this. All of you see here, non-IT to IT career gap. Yes, so please see here, I'll tell you all the steps one by one. So just try to understand. Okay, so all of you have opened this link. This is the batch 14 link. Okay, and it is going to start from tomorrow. Okay, start date is from tomorrow, right? And every weekend 3 hours live session will be there. You are seeing 30 minutes minus because 30 minutes will be Q&A or some kind of discussion which is important for everyone. Okay, so every Saturday and Sunday 2 days class, every weekday 1 day class, so total per week 3 days class. Okay, along with that, after every live class you are going to get recordings on the same day with a gap of 3 to 4 hours. Everything is automated, you don't need to worry. You just need to sit in front of laptop for your preparation. Okay, so recordings are available and downloadable resources. Most of the resources in the website will be downloadable. If we see the week wise topics, we will start with very basics: DevOps, SRE, tool setup, AWS DevOps flow, Linux folder file structure, account setup, and all those things we will do in week 1. Basically, we will go to the slightly on the week 2 where we will try to understand CI/CD, Jenkins file, Groovy script, GitHub Actions, not GitHub Actions, sorry, GitHub, Jenkins, webhook setup, merge concepts, Jenkins master set. So from the week 2, you will see on a dedicated point, we are talking mostly, okay, CI/CD, maybe Docker and Kubernetes, how these things are there, maybe Python, maybe Kubernetes, maybe Terraform. If you see after week 1, right, after week 1, everything will be on the tool wise. Weekly, we will try to cover the tools, right? Correct. So course date extend, I didn't get it because we have already finalized everything. Extending course date is difficult. Okay, now how to join? If anyone wants to join, right, let's say you are interested and you are willing to join, you are always welcome to use this link which I have given. Okay, so I'll pin this link. You can enroll with that link. Okay, anyone who is interested, you can enroll and I will give you the link. Because the classes are starting, we will be closing the enrollments by today evening. Okay, you are always welcome to join, no issues. So once you are seeing all these things, you will already have all the idea about this, and you will definitely have the projects details also. Okay, DevSecOps projects, CI/CD projects. Hope I am sharing my screen. Yes. Okay. Okay, Docker advanced projects, Kubernetes project, deployment projects, all those things, you will definitely have the data. And any questions around projects you have for me? Any questions you guys have regarding the projects? Yes, please join. If you are interested, please join definitely. Okay. Will you give us work for 4 days? Yes, I'm going to give you. That's where we are going to learn, right? So that's definitely we are going to do it. No issues in that. Okay. Any questions in the project side? What about morning shift people, bro? See, morning shift Saturday and Sunday, if you have recordings will be there. No need to worry. How SRE actually monitor in real time for SRE? See, SRE, you want to learn, you see this project. Okay. So same things we are doing in the company also. If you are able to see, this is one project, which is your monitoring project, how the setups are done, how the things are picturized, how the way that anyone explains as a monitoring architecture, you see this. Or there is one more project, this one also, you can try to understand. Monitoring becomes easy. Yes, at least 2 3 you have to definitely keep it. How the databases had, see, databases also, we will try to understand. Mostly companies are revolving around the DB, right? So definitely there is a database, there is a front end, and there is a back end. Okay. So definitely now very simple, right? SRE engineers are also very important. Okay. Kanakavalli, you give notes to explain project interview? Yes. Yes, 100%. I'm going to give the notes how you can do it. So tell me, how many of you are interested to enroll? So I'll ask this question because that's very important. How, because classes are starting from tomorrow. I don't want you to miss tomorrow's class. You better join tomorrow's first day. That will be awesome. You get all the videos, recordings. How many of you are interested to join? That's very important. Okay. Because we are going to start. Yes, every tool is covered in detail. Yes. Because we are going to do the projects, we are going to do the hands-on. Definitely. Yes. If you have interest, we have something for you. Okay. So if you see here, this is the batch 14. You have something like book your seat. Once you click on the book your seat, you have to fill in your information. That's it. Name, email, phone number. You can take with me one-to-one separate call. Those who are looking for job change, those who are looking for, let's say, a real-time mentorship with me on a separate call, you can opt for this. Those who are looking for previous batch recordings, let's say I want to prepare on myself before the class starts, or let's say next class is already scheduled, but you want to know some highlights about the previous batch happened, you can opt for this. Let's say you don't want any of this, you can opt for 5499. Okay, inclusive of everything. You don't need to pay any single money for labs or anything. It's all, because labs we are going to do for free. That's already there. But this is what you have. Okay. So on today's time, you have 2 seats with me: certificate of completion, doubts clearing, full support on job guidance, access to community. Yes, those who have enrolled, you would have already seen we have given access to community also, right? Yes, I joined just now. Preetma. Okay, right. Have opted for one-to-one. When can I schedule? Ashwini, you can schedule later. Like once the class starts, I will tell you, right? Then we will discuss. Preethma, you have already joined our previous batch. Yes, definitely. You are always welcome to upskill, right? And if you are from previous batch, you can email us. Okay, your details, your register mobile number. We will verify and help you out. Okay, no issues. Okay, tool wise it will cover the course, or project wise, it will cover. Okay, so that is one important thing. Okay, there is any offer, Rujan? Yes, definitely there is. There, no worries, we will verify your details and do the needful. Okay, sir, I am purely a non-IT guy, will you be covering from scratch? Because that is one of the important question where many people ask me. Okay, so I am from non-IT. How do you how do you help me? So when we talk about the non-IT guy, see, you have to put lot of efforts when it comes to the non-IT. The way you are putting efforts right now should be like 2-3 times, and you should be doing good, I mean good work on your communication skills, leadership skills, project building, definition, talking skills. All those things should be put more, and definitely I will be helping you, so no doubt in that. Okay, can you include airflow too? So we are not doing any airflow and all. Okay, I want to join, but money issue. Sorry brother, so sorry. Please take time, no issues. Okay, right. Is it industry graded projects where we can? Yes brother, see, I will tell you very simple. Whatever we will do in our class here, I am unable to see full video screen. Okay, you have joined via mobile. Okay, so I can see you have joined via mobile. So that is why there are 2 screens running. Okay, so one is mobile screen and one is the this screen. Okay, if you want this screen, right, you have to join on laptop. Okay, right. So I was talking about this. So very important. Whoever has enrolled, okay, or are interested to enroll, let me tell you very clearly, in this world, without you joining any company, okay, all the projects will be exactly same. In the companies we will do the same, right? But only thing is there will be different scenarios which the companies will cover, which probably we might not know, or we might not get that environment to work, but mostly the same pattern, same work we will do. Okay, no worries. Hi, bro. This is Vamsi. I have completed my master's in 2025 and I'm currently searching for a job as fresher. I'm enrolled in Batch 14 and getting a job is very important. Sure, brother. Definitely. We are going to do all those sorting of help. And those who are willing to upskill, we have shared this link again. You can definitely enroll, right? And you can upskill. So Divakar also is interested. So I've shared the link. You can just check. Okay. So this will be the plan of action, which I have already discussed. Okay, not this one. Okay, definitely all these things you are going to get. Okay, and soon we are going to start the class tomorrow, right? So that's very much important. And you all have got the access to community section also in the website. So that is one more add-ons which we have done, right? So that is one thing. Okay, hi. Will I be able to switch company experience by learning from? Yes, definitely. See, the only thing is I have cracked good number of companies. I have worked with Walmart. I have worked with Verizon. I have worked with Infosys and many other companies I have worked with. Definitely, right? And definitely, I'm going to help you. No doubt in that. And if you are following me on LinkedIn, you will be coming to know that whatever the work that I have done in the different types of companies, you can see all those things here. Okay, under my experience section, under my award section, under my all those things you can see definitely on the LinkedIn profile, right? You can connect with me, check my LinkedIn profile, get idea. Okay, no issues, right? Yes, I am also excited, Jagdish. Okay, hello Anna. Batch 13 as a fresher, it's really good. Can you help me? Can I get a job currently in fourth year BTech? Yes, brother. So brother is telling he is in batch 13 as a fresher and he is watching all those things. Yes, you can get a job. If you are not getting in the college, try to find out outside also. For example, I was going through the LinkedIn job section, and I have seen like some of the jobs are there for, let's say, like very internship kind of jobs are also there. So let me check again. DevOps internships. Okay, and if you are able to see, definitely few companies who are looking out for DevOps engineer, they will be like posting like these things, right? On the IBM, if you see here, software developer intern, some companies are always looking out for DevOps interns, right? Not on a larger scale, but you can definitely look out. Some of the good companies are also there, right? And you can definitely get help from these people. Okay, that's very much important. Okay, so definitely check this LinkedIn post also, which will help you. Okay. Hi, bro. I worked in mining engineer since since last year. Okay, so that's important. 1 second. Yeah. So just 1 second. I'll check few more things from my end. So I hope you all have received the Zoom links, guys, for tomorrow's class. Yes. All of you have received the Zoom links. Yes. So Prashanti is asking 7 years of non-IT experience will take. Yes, Prashanti, definitely it's going to help you. Okay. See, just watch the website. You will get idea. Okay. Just watch the website. You will definitely get idea. Okay. I am working as an SRE from last 2 years, but only have hands-on on on-prem setup. Very less exposure, okay, on cloud job opportunity in cloud domain. Okay, so it depends. Okay, it depends how you are going over all the things and everything, right? So definitely my class will help you in upskilling. That's no doubt in that. Definitely no doubt in that. Okay. So that's one thing. Okay, thanks bro. Batch 13 is really helpful. Thanks a lot, brother. It really makes me happy that you guys are getting some help out of things which I am telling. Okay, and Shrivalli, yes, I have known you from long time. How much AI will be covered in this course? See, AI, we are touch basing on LangChain, Chroma, Scalar as one proof of concept project. Okay, that I will tell you, like how we are going to scale, how we are going to learn, everything I'll tell you. So don't worry about that. Okay. So how many of you are interested to enroll for tomorrow's class or for Batch 13? Like, I will ask you, let's say, are you interested to enroll, okay, in Batch 14 with me? Yes, there is no doubt, no idea of Batch 15 because we are trying now to design some things. Okay, right? So this will be the batch 14 link. I have shared all the details, right? And I have shared even on the LinkedIn also to the people who are looking out for upskilling. Okay, but guys, whenever you are talking on LinkedIn, make sure you have proper profile of yours. Okay, sure. Garoi, Shubhrata Garoi. Okay, name is badhiya yaar. Subhabrata. Okay, already enrolled. Yes, Shivani, I know you by name. We have discussed multiple times. And finally, tomorrow is our class starting date. So definitely it will be helping you. Okay. I was working on IAM and Azure AD. That's good. Enrolled, excited for tomorrow's dive in. Definitely Madhu. Yes, I know you also, like probably in the earlier areas we have been discussing. Can I learn and upskill? Yes, definitely, brother. If you want to upskill, this is the link. Okay, register here. I'm giving again for the people. Yes. What do you think? Like, do you cover scenario based interview? Yes, brother. That's a one more important thing which I wanted to tell you all. Definitely, we are going to cover the scenario based interview questions and answer, because that's where the impact we are going to create. Okay, so the major impact will be how are you going to answer in the interview, how are you going to survive in the interview. That's very important. Okay. Hi bro, I am working on Linux from last 3 years. I have registered for batch 14 and I am planning to switch. Yes, definitely we will help you. Freshers can also join. Okay, duration of the course is 2 months, 2+ months it will go. Okay, 2+ months. I am waiting for tomorrow's class. Yes, that's great. So these are the things which we need basically. Okay, okay, so I just taken a photo, right? And definitely I am also excited to meet you all, because it will give me like one more time to discuss with you all, to meet you all, right? To work with you all. So definitely we are going to upskill on those things. I know some of the people by name. Okay, so that's one important thing. Can you share DevOps roadmap now? Definitely, definitely. That's very important, right? Like we wanted to discuss like what is a DevOps roadmap, what are the things that are available with us. Okay, definitely I'll talk about the roadmap also. Just give me 1 second. I'll share my screen. Can those from the previous batch also join? No, all the batches will be different. Okay, so you have to opt again. But let's talk about some things. Definitely roadmap, I'll tell you. For this course, it's 5499 as of now, Akshat. Okay, you can just check on the LinkedIn. Okay, I have shared you the link. Yes, all the course, yes, it will be covered. Okay, so many of you are asking so many questions. Okay, and I'm just replying to you. Please check your DMs. Okay, I'm just trying to reply to every query which is coming on the screen. So that's one thing which I'm doing. Okay, definitely if you guys enrolled, I will definitely help you, no doubt in that. What courses are you offering? So DevOps and SRE. Okay, DevOps and SRE, that's one thing which I'm offering. So I'll write it like this: TOMORROW. Okay. Okay, so that's few things which I wanted to discuss with you all. So many questions I'm getting, guys. So many questions. Okay, fees. Okay, Lakshmi is asking fees. I'll tell. Timings 3 days per week. Okay, Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday you have. Okay, so let me tell you. Yes, Lakshmi, you can check here. This is the link. Okay, you will get all the details. Okay, Komal Reddy, you already opted for batch 13. Why you want to come to batch 14? Tell me. Why? You have all the recordings, you have all the documents. To upskill, definitely, again, that's good. But if you genuinely want, again, only to attend live sessions, then definitely mail us with your details. We will help you. Okay. Right? Yes, Akshit. Yes, you can check the link. You can enroll as we are closing the enrollments today, right? So make sure you are joining before that sometime. Okay. Bro, I have 1 year of experience in testing, but my company is startup. But how MNC or see, MNC or product based will not approach you whether you are working in a startup or you are working in a QA. Nothing matters for them. If you are genuinely good in upskilling to a company, right, in giving the right things, definitely it will help you. No doubt in that. Okay, so no, don't worry. See, batch 6 access was for 2 years. Okay, that is why you are not able to access for batch 6. Probably batch 6 was 2 years back, 2023 or 2022. Okay, so that's the reason. Yes, I have discussed. Okay, voice breaking. Sometimes it might happen. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so definitely we will help you, Komal. Komal, right? You send the email. We will verify your details and help you out. No, no issues. Okay. Yes. Are you going to cover JFrog, Ansible, Nexus, Apache Tomcat? Yes. Yes. All these tools, um, except Nexus. Okay. We are covering rest. Okay. So don't worry. Yes, I have told you, Victor. Yeah. Is it for everyone or people with tech background? Everyone. Okay. Not like enrolled for the course. Do we need a laptop handy for the setup? Yes, it's good to have Prashanti because we will be doing some hands-on in local, some hands-on on paper, so it will be good for us. Okay. Okay, I see people with batch 13 are asking questions. Okay, right. Is there any additional information in batch 14? Enroll for batch 13. Okay, Suman, see, we will do one POC project on AI, that's for sure. LangChain, Chroma, Scalar, Vector DB. How the data conversions with the AI is happening, we will do it. Apart from that, some additional things definitely I'll add on. It's up to you if you want to do it again, like you want to have the live sessions, you want to interact, you want to get again, like if you're looking out for job. This time, when you are enrolling, you can definitely take one-to-one mentorship also if you have not taken last time. That will actually help you in this term, right? That will help you definitely. Yes, 3 months is enough. 3 to 5 months is what the scale is for cracking the interview, and it will definitely help you. Okay, no doubt in that. So let me share my screen. I'll again discuss with you all, right? So this is the batch 14. The price is 5499. And once you click on the book your seat, you will get some options like this. Fill in your details. If you are looking for opting mentorship, click on this. If you don't want, don't click. If you want recorded batch previous videos, click on this. Don't click this. And this is what the price you have as of now. Okay. So if I go back, you get all these concepts along with Java, LangChain, Chroma, one POC proof of concept project from classes tomorrow. It's starting, and different kinds of tools. These all tools you are going to learn. Okay, on AWS and Azure we are working, so it will help you, no doubt in that. Okay, these things are aligned as per the plan. You will get Jenkins, whatever you are saying, Jenkins, Grafana, Python, Azure, Docker, Linux, Kubernetes, Ansible, Jaeger, Istio, Visual Studio. These all things you are definitely going to get it. So no doubt in that. And along with that, we are going to learn Java, which is important for us, and Python also. These two things are there for us, definitely. How normal DevOps is different from Web3 DevOps? See, Salesforce DevOps engineer will work on the Salesforce tools. Web3 DevOps engineer, there is no such thing like Web3. Probably if you are talking about, let's say, like some person is doing the web development, okay, and he is trying to learn DevOps. So that's where your web development DevOps will come, as per my understanding. Okay. Salesforce DevOps engineer, definitely he's working on Salesforce DevOps side and DevOps tools on the Salesforce side. So definitely it's going to name like that. See, I have given already the answer for this, right? You have asked me the same question. I have given you answer. Bro, I have 1 year experience in testing, but my company is startup. Yes, I have told you. See, startup doesn't your selection in the product based or service based doesn't get defined with the way that you are thinking about your startup. No, if you are skilled, that means your company, either product based or MNC, will take it. No doubt in that, and you are genuine employee in that startup. Okay. 2014 passed out and trying to switch to okay, stop sharing, right? So 2014 passed out, trying to switch to IT from teaching experience of 10 years of DevOps. Oh, okay. See, 10 years of career gap to DevOps, definitely it's going to be difficult. Obviously, it's going to be difficult. And anyways, you are in the teaching field. So I recommend you, if possible, get into this training field itself on a better note, okay, if possible, because already it's 10 years. Okay. Yes, Rutvik, I remember you. I think you are there in our batch 14. So definitely we will try to touch base with you. Yes, it's good for freshers also. Try to understand that. Okay. Bro, designation data analyst unte DevOps ke switch. Yes, brother. Yes, you can do it. Do it. Definitely you can do it. No issues in that. Okay. Any designation to any designations, you can definitely switch. Okay. No issues with the switching. Okay, great. I am already attending interviews, but not selected, lack of skill, but hopefully this year. Sure, brother. I will definitely help you. I will give my 150% on top of what you are giving to me. Definitely it will be worthful. Okay. Definitely I'm going to help you. Okay. Okay. Some more questions I am getting. Right. So how many of you are interested to enroll? That's very important question, which I am again reiterating. How many of you are interested to enroll? Just tell me yes. Maybe people on LinkedIn, you guys are happy with the things that we are providing. Yes, no. Okay, tell me, bro, it's confusion while selecting DevOps as a career. And see, any career after the college pass out is on the confused state. Once you get a job, right? Once you do some things on your side, it will be helpful to you. Okay. So any career, let's say I'm going for DSA, Java, right? It will be difficult for me. Try to check things, try to work on your end. Okay. Good to see you again after the Microsoft Hyderabad Google Cloud Community event. Microsoft Hyderabad Google Cloud Community event. Okay. So I understand Microsoft Hyderabad we went. Google Cloud Community event, we have went at a MongoDB event. So I'm little bit not sure which exactly event are you talking. Okay. So you can definitely tell me which exactly event have we met, something like that. If you can tell, probably I can help you. Okay. Now those who are telling, like, see, try to open the link in the incognito, because sometimes it will show you seats not available, right? Because of the cache and all those things, because you are a regular user on our website, sometimes it will say like not available and all those things. So definitely check this. Okay. I've shared you the link. You can definitely look out for the options. Okay. Right. Questions? Any questions you have? Anything you wanted to ask me? I've seen many of you. Definitely, we will try to upskill in 2025. Right. freshers only have few jobs. How to see? It's a hypothetical question, first of all. Okay, we cannot say like whether we are going to get job or we are going to land in our dream company. No, we have to work continuously. That's why I told you all, write your what do you say, like dream. What is your dream in 2026 to fulfill, right? Even I have to do it. I have to write my dream, right? More kind of more fulfilling dreams. I have to definitely write it on the paper for 2026. Okay. Okay, bro, how much time one has to put daily? Okay. I'm seeing some new names who are connecting with me. So glad. Thanks a lot for your, let's say, like for all your belief on me. Right? Definitely, you have seen my LinkedIn profile, the way I crack jobs or the way I teach. Probably you have seen, what do you say? Some, uh, I can talk like some of the things which you have liked about me, and definitely you are spending some amount. Okay. So, yes, Bhargavi, thank you. You are. You will definitely get help. That's one thing I'll definitely tell you. So Bhargavi, the timings will be 9 a.m. tomorrow. You would have already received the links. Just check that. Okay, just check that you would have already received the links. Okay. Okay. So any more questions? Right. So Bhargavi, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. tomorrow morning. Okay. Right. I have overall 3.11 years of experience in cloud, and 5 months back I joined Infosys as a cloud administrator. With this short duration in Infosys, if I'm trying to again switch, no problem. See, never think about what company will think. Okay, so if you want to do good, if you want to upskill, if you want better package, see, definitely 5 months joining in a company is, and again looking out for the opportunity is not good. But if you feel that you are not that much valued, if you feel that the project you thought is not given to you, if you think that the work assigned or the kind of environment that you are in is not good, definitely it's a good time to shift the company, no doubt in that. Okay, so do it, definitely it will help you, right? Okay, yes, got it, no issues. Tineru notation. Okay, so hi bro, how to remember that many skills, bro? See, again, don't remember, try to organize things like, okay, this is a tool. That's why I tell you, right, think as a movie, right? When you talk about DevOps has so many tools, DevOps has so many things to remember. It's not like remember all the things, it's like connecting as a story. Very important. DevOps is all about how do you connect as a story. So I'll write it here for your better understanding. DevOps is all about storytelling. Okay, I don't know how many of you agree with me, but this is what I have to tell you. Okay, if you really trust me, it's all about story building, it's all about connecting the dots, it's all about integration of tools, it's all about you talking with the tools and trying to understand what that tool is giving you in back. Okay, so that's very much important. Sure, Venky, no issues, right? So yes, go ahead with your questions. Definitely, we will certainly take some more questions. Any more questions? Yes. Okay. So you guys agree with me? Like DevOps is all about storytelling. How many of you agree? Let's talk like this. How many of you agree like DevOps is all about storytelling? Yes, no. +1. Fresher job opening. Okay. How to check DevOps fresher openings in which platform, or you have any Telegram? See, fresher openings, like any openings, I would say goes with the 5 things. Okay, one is your LinkedIn, Naukri, Insta Hire, okay, and your connections on LinkedIn. Okay, let's say like you create content, you connect with people. Okay, that's what it will definitely help you. Okay, Chakali Lokesh, yes, I remember your name, so no doubt in that. See, I cannot predict whether only freshers will have opportunities in DevOps or not. See, it's a very hostile environment right now, and in the coming days, still it will become much more hostile, because all the time the DevOps roles will become like shorter and shorter. Okay, and AI is coming in little bit. The tightness will be there, but it's not like uh, there are no jobs at all for freshers. Okay, it's not like that. There will be always jobs, but it depends on how you are going to hunt for the proper job. Okay, that's very important. I have 4 years of experience in support, want to switch as DevOps. Will this course help me to crack interview? Yes, Rutvik, definitely it will help you. 4 years of experience in support, you can keep 3 years into DevOps, 1 year into support, or DevOps slash support engineer. Anything we can play with your resume. So definitely it's going to help you, no doubt in that. Okay. I have 3 years of experience in technical support. Is it possible to? Yes, definitely. Tomorrow's topic, very good. So tomorrow's topic will be all on the very basic generic points. What is DevOps, why it is needed, Linux, little bit on the topics that we will touch base on the Linux and all, right? And some guidelines for you guys, some structured pointers for you guys, everything we will see. Okay. I am 28 years old and I come from a commerce background. Is it realistically possible for me to get a job in front end development using React? Commerce background. So are you working right now? You didn't told me. You are not working in, or are you working anywhere? You can tell me. Okay, Supraja. Hi bro, I am 2025 passed out. I joined Confident and have 6 months of experience. See, why are you always running towards 6 months of change? Correct. You are at first of all, Supraja. Try to understand very important. You are 2025 passed out. One important thing. Okay. You got the job. Second important thing. You have work experience of 6 months. Third important thing. Now, what is the next step you have to do is learn some new things, right? Maybe DevOps, SRE on your own work, do some automations, try to build something new, get awards in the company, stay for 1.2 years, and then look out for a job. Okay, that will help you actually. Okay, you understood, right? Getting a job is very difficult right now. You got the job, so make that sustainable little bit longer. You are 6 months experience, right? So stay in the company. If you feel that company is not giving you good things, it's very hostile, you are not able to concentrate properly, no project, something like that, then try, no issues. But my suggestion, try after 1 to 1.5 years, it will be better for your opportunities. Okay, right? No, I am not working. Okay, you are not working. That's fine if you are not working, and you are in from the commerce background. But you mentioned as a React and JavaScript. That's what I got doubt. Okay, 28 years old, no working. You can learn, but I don't know like how you can apply that learnings where. Correct. Okay, great, Lokesh. That's great. You have completed a HR round and waiting for your call to happen. That's good. Okay, that's really good. So I'll whatever I am talking, I am taking just the videos, right? So yes, so this is the batch 14 link. If anyone is still interested, I will wait for a few more minutes. Okay, and definitely try to tell you all. If you have any queries, also you can ask me. Right. So I'll just share my screen. I will write some things for you guys. Yes. So all of you are watching me. So let's try to understand some things on the DevOps and SRE batch 14. Those who are interested, again, I will reiterate, okay, for you guys, right? Because the time is now 10 a.m. Sorry, 10 p.m. And tomorrow 9 a.m. is the class. The first class of batch 14 is tomorrow 9 a.m. So batch 14, DevOps plus SRE, both the things we will try to see. You are going to get projects, theory, job guidance, interview questions and answers, assignments, portal walkthrough, mock interviews, resume, and AWS Azure multi-cloud tech with you have to bring your own laptop. How I am going to teach, very important. If you are a non-IT, if you are an IT, if you are a fresher, if you have a career gap, all of you fall under the domain of batch 14. Okay, so I'm just giving a heads up. You all can join batch 14. You are a fresher, you are a career gap, you have IT, you have a non-IT, you have to join batch. You can join batch 14, definitely. So how I will teach you, I'll teach you DevOps and SRE in a storytelling mode with projects, with assignments, with whatever the points I have discussed with you. Definitely it's going to help you. And all these things you will be keeping in your resume, right? And I will help you with that. How to join the course, I have already told you, right? Those who don't know how to join the course after the live is completed, I will tell you about that also. If you want to join the course, you can visit my LinkedIn profile. If you see the recent live, okay, there will be posts, or you go to events, the recent live link will be there, and under that live link there will be this link, or you can copy any link. Or you don't know, you just come to the web browser, you just type heydevops.in/batch14, your batch 14 will be open, right? And all these tools, technologies, you can see all the detailed content along with projects. You can see, look and feel all the tools. You can learn about me, right? And all those things are there, definitely. And definitely Instagram, you can connect with me, YouTube, LinkedIn, anywhere you can connect with me. Okay, so that's very important. Not getting any job opportunities or call from recruiters, I know. No prerequisites, brother Ramcharan, no prerequisites. No, it's not like that. See, Sasi, 2019 getting a job in 2026 very difficult. Okay, but you want to learn, you want to apply, you want to go to some local companies, show your skills, make them understand that you can work for them. That is one way you can definitely achieve. But having a gap this much is difficult. That's my honest answer. Okay, any domain you take, it will be difficult. Okay. Yeah, I understand, but that's the fact, brother. That time, due to financial issues, I worked as IT trainer, but okay, you told everything, but what is your total experience? Okay, so you are 2023 pass out. Yeah, you can still look out for job, right? The best thing for you is look out jobs in your locality. Let's say you are in a good city, Hyderabad or Bangalore or Chennai. Go to the walk-ins, try to find out any companies hiring, local companies who have set up as a startup. You can look out for job in that. Okay, probably you have to complete some of the learnings again which you have done, so that will be helpful. No, brother, as of now there is no offline class. All our online classes we are going to do. Okay. I'm working in a MNC. I need to crack Microsoft. Do we need to have DSA? Yes, brother. Okay. Those companies need these things. I work on QA testing on prem. Okay. That's good, right? I have 3 years experience in TCS in non-IT project for this subject. Can I put 3 years? Yeah, yeah, definitely. Raja Reddy, 100% you can put it. 100% no doubt in that. Okay, I am guaranteeing. Okay, definitely you can keep it, no doubt. Okay, any other questions you have, guys, for me? See, Rajiv, if you are working in bank, you have passed out in 2021. Little bit difficult, but there are ways. Ways you have to find. I will only teach or guide you for the success path. Okay, ways you have to find out for sure. Okay, that's one thing. AWS or Azure for beginners, you take AWS. Okay, first AWS. What's next in DevOps? That's a good question, actually. See, yes, ML ops, AI ops, SecOps is completed. ML ops, AI ops. What else ops you have? So maybe see, chat ops is also in live. It is also working. So guys, you have to tell me what is there for the next big thing. See, everything is coming with AI. So definitely there will be some more much larger integrations with DevOps. Okay, DevOps is not going to die. DevOps is going to survive. GitOps is already there, right? Okay, GitOps is already there. Thank you, sir. Keep doing this type of live. Thank you so much. Right, you liked the way that we have interacted. So glad you liked it. And those who are watching me, right, from various platforms, right. So let me tell you, you all have the chance to go to my LinkedIn ID, tag me, create a post, tag me. Okay, so you have to come on the homepage, start a post, just write at Praveen Singhambali. Okay, you can take any screenshot, maybe I talking live, answering your questions. Okay, with this, what will happen is I'll come to know. Okay, this is the guy who has joined on the LinkedIn. This is one thing. Or you go to my Instagram. Okay, you go to the Instagram. I have almost like 1 lakh plus followers on Instagram, and I daily post content here also. So you can check. Okay, this is for Telugu community, and the other Instagram, you can tag me also if anyone is from the Telugu community side, or anyone is from Andhra Telangana side. You can always tag me. This is my ID, and I will acknowledge your post on Instagram also. Okay, and if anyone is belonging from English background, let's say, you always have my English Instagram ID. Okay, so here is for the English people who are with me. You can watch some of the posts, you can talk, discuss, and all those things. Okay, definitely it will help you. So all those things are there. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Affiliate marketing. Okay, meme telugu. Okay na. Okay, great. DevOps versus data engineer. Okay, both you can mix, Mohan. That's a very good question. Okay, so both you mix and tell to the person that, okay, I know both the things. Okay, definitely. Okay, this is also good. Right. Okay, guys, it's now 10:13. I have to take rest now for tomorrow's class. Okay, so those who are interested, you can always enroll for DevOps Batch 14. I have shared the link. Yes, those who want to join the batch, I have already shared the link here. You can click on this link, okay, and definitely enroll yourself. heydevops.in/batch14, okay. And definitely, I'm excited to meet you all in tomorrow's live class. Very, very power-packed session tomorrow's class will be. So make sure you are joining. If you have not enrolled, use this link. The enrollments will be closing tonight. So make sure that before midnight, you are accessing your content. You know where to join. You have the Zoom links, everything. No, don't read anything. Come with full Josh tomorrow's class, and I will start the first session tomorrow. Okay. Don't read anything. Just relax. Come with a book. Notebook is important because you have to write notes and all those things. So that is very important. So come with that. Definitely, we are going to understand more things. Okay. So this is Praveen signing off from this video. I am expecting you all to be there in batch 14 tomorrow. So definitely join and watch me live in the class. Okay. We will discuss, we will interact. Before I end this live, anyone who is interested? Okay, good, brother. Yeah. Anyone who is still interested to enroll? Yes. Great. Okay. So definitely go ahead, try to check the website for all the details. Okay. Definitely it will help you. And definitely we are going to get good knowledge in the coming days, and that knowledge we will convert it into the job hunt. Okay. So all the best to whoever is with me, and all the very, very best those who are going to come with me in the coming days. Okay. So thanks a lot for joining. We will meet you in the tomorrow's class, and stay tuned. Okay. So definitely. And again, for my Telugu audience, okay, so where is my Telugu audience? Yes, right. సో మన తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్కి కూడా చెప్తున్నా, మామూలుగా ఉండదు క్లాస్ రేపటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవబోతుంది. సో ఎవరైతే తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారో, ఆంధ్ర అండ్ తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇండియా, దోస్ ఆర్ వాచింగ్ మీ. సో థ్యాంక్స్ అలాట్ ఫర్ షోయింగ్ లవ్, అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీ విల్ మీట్ ఇన్ ద టుమారోస్ క్లాస్. ఓకే. సో 9 AM షార్ప్. ఓకే. సో ఎలా జాయిన్ అవుతారు కూడా చాలాసార్లు చెప్పాను, ఐ థింక్. ఓకే. So check the website and get all those details. Okay. So stay tuned. Bye. Okay, done. So I'm done. So take care. Please take care. We will meet in the tomorrow's class. Great. Bye bye. Good night. Anyone wants to enroll, this will be your link, and you can share it with your friends and discuss and opt. Okay. Great. Bye bye. Good night. Good night, everyone. Join tomorrow's class. Okay. So we will see you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye. Good night. Good night.